Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as you can see from the title, we're unboxing a limited edition box from Latest and Beauty, and this is their fabulous The Beauty Heroes active ingredients. So here we go, the box, and it's really heavy. So if you want to see what's inside in this box, just keep on watching. Before I start, lovelies, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jayca. I'll do beauty videos like unboxing subscription boxes, beauty haul, lineup, spoiler of subscription boxes, and now I'm doing advent calendars too, line up advent calendars too. So if you like this kind of video, make sure to subscribe, and if you already subscribed, lovelies, thank you so much for tuning in again, and thank you so much for your continuing support. So yes, today we're unboxing the fabulous The Beauty Heroes active ingredient partnership with Latest and Beauty. Lovelies, I remember how much this one, because it's been a while since I ordered this one. I think it was like 2 weeks ago. Yeah, it took a while to get this box, but I think I paid like 20 to 25 pounds because I'm a pro member from Latest and Beauty, so I have 15% off. And then when they released this one, I had also 4 pounds off. So yes, and free delivery. So I think I paid only around 20 to 25, but for exact price, for exact info, will be in the description box below. So yes, let's open this one. So it's like that. Oh, this is their new box. I love their new box. Just need to open like that. And it says Latest in Beauty, my beauty discovery. We have the leaflet as always with all the information of all the products inside. There's loads of products inside. I decided to purchase this box because I know most of the products I will definitely use. So let's start. So the first one we have here, and this is from Sanctuary Spa Vitamin C Shower Smoothie, an instant pick-me-up with caffeine and turmeric. It has 200 ml. I know this is a full size. The packaging, it's really nice. It's travel friendly, but it has 200 ml, so you can bring this one in the airport, but if you go for a weekend away, it's really nice. It says zesty rejuvenating for the skin. This in-shower smoothie is full of antioxidants that prevent damage from internal aggressors with brightening qualities of vitamin C. This formulation also contains energizing caffeine and real natural fruit extract for gentle exfoliation. That's the first product. And the next one I have in here, and this is from Frank Body Anti-Drama Face Mask. I had the deluxe sample size of this product in my glossy box, and I really do like it. So when I saw this one here in this box, I said I need to get it. It has 80 ml, so this is a full size. And it says, using ingredients so effectively and with your complexion. This mask is enriched with calming ingredients that will actively unclog pores and remove excess dirt and impurities. Use for 15 minutes and expect calm, smooth, and clearer skin. So yeah, that's the second product. And the next one we have here, and this is from Charles Worthington, Clean Plus Protects Scalp Caring Shampoo, deeply cleanses, gently nourishes, and rebalances hair and scalp for healthy hair and scalp. This is a full size, and this one, it says a shampoo that not only cleanses your locks and reduce breakage. This formulation enriched in nourishes the scalp was offering optimum environmental protection. Rose cake, salicylic acid, and hyaluronic acid balance your health and leave strong, happy, and shiny look. I tried a few products from this brand, Charles Worthington, and they are really good. And I never tried this one. I think this is their new range, so yes, I will try this one. And then the next one we have the conditioner, the same range, and this one is protecting your hair from unwanted environmental factors. This strong and soothing conditioner will optimize your hair and scalp health while offering a nourished and healthy looking skin. Expect your locks to feel rebalanced and replenished. So yeah, it has 250 ml too. I'm really happy when they put shampoo and conditioner, so we can try it both. But also we have the same brand, the same range. We have the Daily Defense Mist. There we go. And this one has 150 ml. It's a full size too, and it says a daily use mist that will not only condition the hair but that will also ensure protection with deeply hydrating ingredients such as hyaluronic acid. This mist is also infused with nourishing antibacterial properties that will keep your hair feeling fresh and clean and protected. Whoa, let me smell it. It doesn't smell of anything, to be honest. Love this. I don't smell of anything. It doesn't have the faulty smell. It says spray all over wet or dry hair for all day protection. Use to refresh hair protection washes on the go. Let's try this one because I just took a bath. I need to go to work today at least. So let's try. It has a bit of smell, but I don't know what that smell is. But it smells nice. It smells really nice. It smells like fresh, clean. Love the smell. Here we go. There we go. So the next one we have here, and this is from Superfacialist Vitamin C Plus Brighten Skin Renew Cleansing Oil, Radiantly Clear Through Cleansed Skin. It has 100 ml, so I'm pretty sure this is a full size. And I heard this brand before, but I never tried their product. And it says enriched with vitamin C and olive oil. This dermatologically tested lightweight formula will boost your daily cleansing experience, transforming from an oil to a milky texture upon contact with water. This renewing cleansing oil will dissolve makeup and banish impurities. So yeah, dispense generously into hands and massage into face. Add warm water to transform oil into a light milky lotion and rinse off. So excited to try this one. And then the next one we have here, and this is from Alpha Age, one of my favorite brand. I love the toner from this brand, and this is the vitamin A. It was a bit open but it didn't leak, fortunately. So this one, it says improving texture and clarity of your complexion. This topical vitamin serum encompasses both vitamin A and retinol for an antioxidant rich formula that exfoliates and hydrates, supporting your skin natural renewal process. Expect a more youthful and hydrated looking skin. So yes, if you didn't try the Alpha Age toner, I highly recommend it. I love that product. And then the next one we have here, this is from Ameliorate Replenishing Facial Cream, specially skincare for very dry skin, dehydrated skin, rough skin, uneven skin tone. This is perfect for me when the cold weather, when the winter comes. And yes, Ameliorate, I tried only their body product, but I never tried their face product. This is the inside packaging, and this is a full size too. And here it says this skin replenishing facial cream works hard to smooth fine lines, nourish dry areas, and even out your overall skin tone, showcasing Ameliorate unique LH6, a cocktail of ingredients that create optimum hydration. This cream is a true skin smoothing solution. So yes, I tried Ameliorate before and they are really good. I tried, as I said, I tried the body product and they have like a thick consistency, so they are very hydrating one. After I use them, my skin really feels soft. So yes, I can't wait to try this one. And then the next one we have here, and this is from Rock Retinol Correction Line Smoothing Eye Cream. I love eye cream because I use them a lot. And yes, I heard this brand before but I never tried. So yes, it has 15 ml. I'm pretty sure this is a full size because usually eye cream they have like 15 ml because you just need the tiny one to apply under your eye. It says addressing the 3 most common eye area bugbears. This cream works to reduce puffiness, dark circle, and unwanted wrinkles all at the same time. With a potent helping of retinol, this treatment is clinically proven to rejuvenate the delicate skin around the eye. So yes, as I said, that's this brand, I heard it but I never tried products from this brand. Then we have the Skin Republic Vitamin C 6% plus Alpha Arbutin Serum. So yes, and this is the product. And another brand that I heard but I never tried. I never tried anything. And this one, it says a zinc vitamin C that will help reduce the appearance of dark spots and imperfection. This brightening substance tackles hyperpigmentation head on and will leave your skin glowing with a water-free formulation that works hard to hydrate your complexion. So yeah, can't wait to try. I don't know if you see it in my latest video. I really have like spots in here because of the sun damage, and yes, I need to take care of it. And then we have Garnier, a mask from Garnier Skin Active, Niacinamide Ampoule Sheet Mask Detox. This for combination skin. And yes, this one, it says a fast action sheet mask that is infused with niacinamide and kale for hydration detox. This potent mask gets to work in just 5 minutes, leaving your skin feeling rebalanced and soothed with a nourishing hit of moisture. So yes, and then the last product we have here, and this is from ELF, and this is a full size, and this is their lip plumping mask. And yeah, it says this is in the shade Champagne Glam, and it says this moisturizing formula with vitamin E, coconut oil instantly enhance lips for a fuller, pillowy pout. Swipe on the gloss and coat lips with a sheer wash of color and high octane shine, delivering a mild yet alluring tingling sensation. This product soothes and plumps the lip. I will try this one and then I'll let you know. So that's all of this. As you can see, it's full of product in here, and all full size product. I think these are all full size product. So let's do a recap. So we have the shampoo, conditioner, and the cleanse mist from Charles Worthington Clean Plus Protect. I love the smell of this one. It smells like clean, yeah, fresh. I love the smell. And then we have one makeup here, which is the ELF Lip Plumping Gloss. And then we have a mask, which is from Front Body, the Anti-Drama Face Mask. As I said, I tried the smaller size of this, the travel size. I really do like it, so I'm glad that I got in here. And then we have the Sanctuary Spa Vitamin C Shower Smoothie one. Heard this product before, so I'm really curious to try. And then we have the Skin Republic Vitamin C. Can't wait to try this one too. We have the Ameliorate Replenishing Facial Cream, perfect for winter. For me, I really have dry skin in the winter, so yeah, we'll try in that time. And then we have the Rock Retinol Line Smoothing Eye Cream. I love eye cream. I heard from this brand but never tried products from this brand, so yeah, we'll try it. The Alpha H, I love this brand. The Vitamin E with Evening Primrose, it has 15 ml. So, and then we have the Superfacialist Vitamin C Brighten. There's lots of vitamin C in here, which is I love because I really need vitamin C at the moment. And then I think we have this mask, which is the Garnier Skin Active. So I think that's all. I think so. It's been a while since I bought a limited edition box from Latest and Beauty. Perfect for me. I will definitely use every single product, so I'm glad I've got this box. So yes, that's all for me, lovelies. And you, did you get this box? Have you received already? What product do you like? What product are you excited to try? Let me know in the comment below. And as always, lovelies, all the info, all the price will be in the description box below. So that's all for me, lovelies. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to smash the like button, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to see more unboxing subscription boxes, limited edition boxes, and don't forget also to click the notification bell so you know when I upload the video. See you in my next video, lovelies. Bye.